The big game is right around the corner. And if you're planning to watch this year, I want you to keep an eye out for this ad.
Whoa. The biggest ads of the year are finally here. A huge celebration of creativity on the world's biggest stage. After months of hard work and millions of dollars, they really outdid themselves. But now, with Artlist AI tools, you too can create high-end video production. All you need is a good idea. Heck, we bought this ad spot a week ago and made it in 5 days for just a few $1,000s. So, what's your idea?
What you're watching right now is one of 3 big game-ready ads that Artlist created in just 5 days, with a limited budget, using the Artlist AI toolkit. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they pulled this off, how AI played a role in every step of the process, and how you can use the same tools to create Hollywood-level commercials yourself. Let's say I want to recreate a scene like this, but in my own style. So I'm back inside Artlist. Once you log in, make sure you have the AI toolkit selected. I'm going to upload an image from that ad, and now I'll describe the image I want to recreate. Here's my prompt. Swap out this polar bear with a red panda. Also replace the picture in the mirror so it shows red pandas. Keep everything else the same. For this, I'm choosing Nano Banana Pro, setting the aspect ratio to 16:9 and going with 4K resolution. And look at these results. Now let's animate it. I'm using this image as my starting frame, selecting Kling 3.0 and describing the motion I want. And just like that, here's the scene, completely reimagined using the Artlist AI toolkit.
Relax, this kind of production used to cost millions.
And here's the crazy part. This is the same AI toolkit Artlist used to create their big game ads in 5 days. Normally, producing a big game commercial takes months. Huge crews, massive budgets, endless approval chains. But this project had none of that. And instead of creating just one ad, Artlist created 3. 3 separate concepts, each honoring a different era of big game advertising. Concept 1, real-time reference. The first concept is a behind-the-scenes style ad that uses AI to reference some of the most iconic big game commercials ever made. Fanatics, Bud Light, Budweiser, Pepsi, and more. AI made it possible to iterate quickly while still staying visually authentic. Concept 2, Hall of Fame. This one pays tribute to the legacy of big game ads, the kind that defined entire generations of advertising. Concept 3, the future. This is a fully AI-generated vision of what the next generation of advertising could look like. A creative fever dream, built entirely with AI. And here's the part that really matters. All of this, concept, production, post-production, and delivery, was done for just a few $1,000s. That's not about cutting corners. That's about access. Tools that used to be locked behind massive budgets are now available to smaller teams, solo creators, and indie studios. Less time, less money, more people able to play the game. And right now, Artlist is taking this even further. They're giving creators the chance to win $60,000 by making their own commercial using the Artlist AI toolkit. The rules are simple. Create your own ad using the Artlist AI toolkit. Upload it to social media. Tag Artlist. Use hashtag ArtlistBigGame. If you want all the details, I've added the links in the description below. So if you've ever wanted to make a big game level commercial, this is your moment. Go big, take the challenge, and start creating with the Artlist AI toolkit.